The buttons have moved in order to share your sound for your audio and videos on Zoom. Hi, Taylor here at Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell so you're notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. When you're sharing video or files that have audio on Zoom, the little buttons to click to actually share the audio has moved slightly. So when you click on the bottom toolbar on share screen, you're going to see that the options have moved from the bottom over to the right-hand side. In my opinion, it's actually a lot easier to see. Now, if you had an application open that did have video, you can choose Optimize for Video Clip right there on the right and then click on Share. So make sure you take note of those changed locations of that audio sharing ability on Zoom. And if you ever need assistance on having a smooth virtual event, operating breakout rooms and sharing media seamlessly, don't hesitate to reach out to us and see how we can help.